Hello viewers, we all drive cars. Some of us drive cars every day. It's always good to do some primary checks before driving the car, irrespective of daily drive to office or a long journey. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 things you need to know and check before driving your car.
Make sure there is no big stones near the tires or another car blocking your way. Your path should be free of obstacles. Also, check there are no fallen leaves on your windscreen before you get inside the car. Number 2. Check the tires. Make sure that there is no puncture. Also, make sure that the tires have optimum pressure. You can get it done at fuel stations and do it at least once a fortnight. Number 3. Check all fluid levels. This includes the status of fuel in the car as well as engine oil and coolant, etc. You don't need to check the latter two daily. Once every 15 days or at least on a monthly basis is fine. Make sure that the front shield, rear view mirrors are clean before starting your car. All the cars now comes with front windshield washer. Use it for better visibility. Adjust the rear view mirrors. Before starting your journey, make sure that the rear view mirrors are positioned for the optimal view. Adjust your seat. If you are not the only driver using your car, do not commence your journey unless you are comfortable in the driving seat. Check all the warning lights. If your engine is showing any warning lights, please do not ignore them. Check with a mechanic immediately. Check the brakes. Before you set out your journey, make sure to check the brakes and see if they have the needed stopping power. Check the gears. Do a check to see if all the gears are working well. Check if the gears are getting stuck or jamming up. This could mean it needs servicing. Do not forget to fasten your seatbelt. Most cars now have a reminder to fasten your seatbelt, which will prompt you to fasten your seatbelt before driving the car.
Follow these measures to ensure smooth drive no matter how long or small the journey is. This checklist will also keep your car in a very good condition.